This is Deborah Harris bringing to you a tip for the day, a cash flow tip of the day on how to reduce your cost of goods sold or your cost of sales in your business. Now, your cost of sales are those costs that vary up and down depending on the number of things that you sell in that period. So our tip of the day is to join buying cooperatives to make use of group buying power. Now, quite often, if you're in a specific geographical area, you might find that it's very cost ineffective for you to buy a small amount of product. But there may be other places out there, and this is how franchises tend to operate. They tend to be able to use their group buying power and purchase things cheaper than you would be able to otherwise. So if you've got somebody out there that maybe is not necessarily a direct competitor, you might be able to join up with them and make use of buying groups grouped together to get you better terms and conditions. Now, you need to trust the other members of the buying cooperative are going to pay their portion, and you need to be able to track and measure that. But by making use of group buying power, you may actually be able to drive the cost of your business down. This has been a cost of goods sold tip, which is a cash flow tip of the day.